Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a heading block in your Shopify checkout page like this. So I have created a heading block as like this to make some urgency on customers to complete the purchase. So if you want to do this similar kind of a block to create in your checkout page, watch this video completely without skipping. So keep note that this kind of a customization will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using Checkout Ninja Customizer app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box so you can check it out. After installing, open the app from Shopify admin panel and click on Create Advanced Block. Now you have to create checkout block from here, and it will be listing a number of default template for different blocks. You can either choose any of this from here if you want to. Otherwise, you can just close it and you can just give any title, which should be a meaningful one, so that you can just easily identify this from the list of your given block. And in case of enable conditional visibility, you can just enable it if you need any conditions to appear the block in the checkout. So that if you are adding any conditions over here, and this will be, our block will be appear only when this specific conditions is met. So let's disable this. I'm not planning to give any conditions over here for now. And click on add block and just search. Either you can just search for heading block from the search tab. Otherwise, you can scroll it down and then find the desired block as the heading. So I have to give some heading label here. I'm just giving as hurry. Let's go for a limited stock message as our title. So my type will be H2. You can just give any as your wish. And the content will be kind of complete your purchase before the item sells out. So you can also choose some spacing like tight base, lows, extra low, something like that. Let's give for the tight one only. So I have added all the details. Now I can make the status to active and then save it. Now you will be getting a block ID from here. So you just copy this and open your checkout editor page. Now you have to add a custom block to your checkout page and paste your block ID which you have copied earlier, right? So paste that into this field. Now you can see that a block has been created, which is our heading block, has been created successfully in the checkout page. Since I have already added one, I'm not planning to add one more, so I'm just deleting it. So whenever you are going to a app section, you can see that your custom block on heading is in the order summary. If you want to move this from anywhere else, you can just drag it over here like this. So after all the configuration made, you can save it. Since I didn't make any change, it shows the save button as disabled. For you, it will be showing as enabled only and you can save it. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I have some products in my cart. Let's try to land on checkout now. So you can see that our title and the description label and all are created successfully here. So that's how you can create a heading block in your Shopify checkout page easily. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Shopify tips, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.